फ्रेंड्स, कैसा फील होगा अगर मैं आपसे कहूँ कि आपने अपनी कार फुल स्पीड पे चला रखी है मगर हैंड ब्रेक चला कर। जी हाँ फ्रेंड्स, एग्जैक्टली यही हो रहा है हम सबकी लाइफ में, बिकॉज वी एक्चुअली आर just not aware about our true identity. And just due to that reason, there are three biggest devils in our life who are actually killing us softly. So, one of the very important reasons for productivity and vitality is to be in complete relaxation, peace, and happiness. You've got to be light and relaxed. And that is the thing which is not possible when you are suffering with these three devils. In fact, every negativity of yours, you can get rid of it only just by killing these biggest three devils. And as I shared, that whatever obstacles in our life are there, either in terms of our relationships, either in our health, the only reason for all of them is not the external thing which we are able to actually figure out, but it is actually these parasites which are there inside our system. So, hi, I'm Gaurav Prakash, and why am I saying this with so conviction? Because I myself have suffered from a very serious chronic disease which was just induced by stress only, and IBS. So, it was my luck and just blessings that I could find out a solution which I am sharing with you, which is medically approved, which is the only and medically approved solution for complete freedom from stress, anxiety, and fear. And actually, let me tell you one thing: if there is one thing which can actually turn your life around, is to just get these devils out of your system, and you will find immense energy, peace, and happiness, and you will be out of your procrastination, your tiredness, in fact all the negativities of your life, because you have killed the root cause, you have terminated it forever. So in my 5 days course, I would help you with the same solution, because I have understood the life of darkness when I was suffering. It was a real suffering, and I don't want that just with the lack of awareness people suffer this and endlessly just wandering for solutions. And guys, there is one thing: if you really want to enjoy life, the success is secondary, but if you don't have that sukoon, that peace, that relaxation, that happiness in life, you can never be even achieving success or your best life. So if you can use through these 5 days of my course, you will be able to 10x your productivity and vitality with the highest energy of peace and happiness. And the biggest sharing I would like to make here is that my participants have actually shared that they have found instant benefits in freedom from stress, anxiety, and fear. And that is what I feel that the beauty of this whole system which I'm sharing is, and that is what my USP is. So I'm really excited to help you out, and whomsoever are interested can just click on the below link, and you will not be disappointed. So we'll enjoy, we'll relax, and we'll come out of the course of you being at your perfect level of relaxation, peace, and happiness. That's a promise. So thank you so much, guys. And again, interested people can click on the below link. Thank you so much.